Hello and welcome to the Konar Cooks. In honor of the vibrant and colorful festival of Holi, we are excited to share with you a special recipe straight from our kitchen. Today we will be showing you how to make a delicious pua that's perfect for celebrating this joyous occasion. This is a recipe that has been passed down in our family and we are thrilled to share it with all of you. So grab your apron and get ready to join us in the making of a festive treat that's sure to impress. Wishing you all a very happy Holi once again. Thank you for watching. You can find the full recipe in the description box. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Konar Cooks. See you in the next one.